Hello everyone, welcome to Kid and Food Diaries. Today I am going to show you a very simple but delicious and healthy recipe of a sweet which we call it as Kai Sutau. So this can be simply prepared by using just 3 ingredients. First we need 4 cups of white rice which is soaked well and 2 cups of coconut. Start by grinding 2 cups of grated coconut using a grinder into a very smooth paste. We really need a very fine paste of coconut for this recipe. So keep in mind to grind it to very smooth paste. Meanwhile, take about 700 grams of jaggery in a vessel. To that add some amount of water and let it boil until the jaggery dissolves completely. Once it is dissolved, strain it nicely to remove the unwanted particles in the jaggery solution, and after that again keep it over a flame to boil it. So let it boil for some time until you get a fairly thick jaggery solution. Say this should be the consistency of jaggery solution here. Now the coconut has turned out into a very smooth paste. Now we can add the rice. So rice was soaked for about 2 to 3 hours. And to that we can add little bit of water now and about 1 teaspoon of salt. Don't add too much of water here because we are going to add this mixture into the jaggery syrup which is already having some water. So this should be the consistency. Now we are adding this to the jaggery syrup and mixing it well. This is how the batter looks. Look at the texture and the consistency of the batter, and this is how it should be. Now keep this kind of pan over the flame, and meanwhile take about half a cup of ghee. You can even use oil instead of ghee, but ghee tastes better. Now add about half teaspoon of ghee like this. Now carefully pour the batter. You should be careful here because during grinding, if the coconut is not finely ground, then it may splutter. So keep the flame high and let it cook for a while. Once it is done on one side, carefully flip it over and let it cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. Keep the flame low after flipping it. So with this, delicious and healthy Kai Sutau is ready. Kai means coconut and Sutau is nothing but a kind of sweet. So this is a very simple recipe which can be prepared quickly as an evening snack using just 3 simple ingredients which is easily available at home. This is so yummy, you know. See how soft it is and look at the lovely texture of it. I learned this recipe from my aunt when I visited my grandma's place last week, and I'm glad that I learned this traditional recipe which tastes so good, and I thought I must share this recipe with you all. Hope you like this recipe and you will also try this at home and share your feedback with me. And if you like it, don't forget to share the recipe with your friends and family, and don't miss subscribing our channel. Thank you for watching. See you all next week with another simple and healthy recipe. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy.